For nearly 10% of the population, that pre-race caffeine shot doesn't just fail to help. It actively destroys performance by nearly 14%. Marketing tells us caffeine is the gold standard ergogenic aid, universally improving endurance performance by reducing perceived exertion. However, physiological reality is dictated by genetics, not marketing. When we look at meta-analyses, we see a positive average, but that average hides a statistically significant group of outliers. The critical variable is the CYP1A2 gene, which controls the enzyme responsible for metabolizing caffeine in the liver. Your variation of this gene dictates your clearance rate. In a landmark 2018 study by Guest et al., researchers put athletes through 10 kilometers time trials. They stratified results based on 3 specific genotypes. The results dismantled the caffeine is good for everyone narrative. The AA genotype, the fast metabolizers, saw the expected performance boost. But for the CC genotype, caffeine was catastrophic. While AA athletes improved by 4.8%, CC athletes got 13.7% slower compared to placebo. Why this massive disparity? It comes down to accumulation. Fast metabolizers clear the drug quickly, utilizing the neural benefits without lasting side effects. Slow metabolizers retain high concentrations of caffeine in the blood for hours. During maximal exercise, this excessive accumulation likely causes vasoconstriction rather than vasodilation. This restriction of blood flow to working muscles essentially starves them of oxygen when they need it most, counteracting any neural reduction in perceived effort. Without a genetic test, you can identify your type through observation. If caffeine makes you anxious or jittery rather than alert, you are likely a C allele carrier. To confirm this, run an A/B test protocol during your threshold sessions. Compare heart rate and pace with and without caffeine over 4 distinct sessions. The verdict is clear. If you are a slow metabolizer, caffeine is performance poison. Eliminate it before intense efforts to instantly reclaim that lost 13%. Test your physiology, don't trust the averages.